Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have GOOSH 8FT Halloween Decoration. This GOOSH Halloween inflatable dead tree comes with white ghost with LED lights built inside. The dead tree with white ghost made children's love at first sight. At number 4 we have JOYIN Halloween Decoration. This JOYIN 35 inches sound and motion activated hanging corpse is great addition to increase spooky ambience. For any Halloween events, entertainment parties, haunted houses and other themes occasions. At number 3 we have DR.DUDU Halloween Decoration. It is made of premium polyester, durable and weatherproof. It is equipped comes with a powerful built-in fan and bright LED lights. It looks much better at nighttime under the spooky lights. At number 2 we have HOLLO Star Halloween Decoration. The 8 feet high Halloween inflatable decoration contains built-in energy-efficient LED lights. The cute shape of the ghost and owl standing on the dead tree. That creates a strong Halloween atmosphere for your courtyard and your Halloween-themed party. At number 1 we have sticro Halloween Decoration. The decorative throw pillow cover has a hidden zipper closure design, easy for washing and inserting. It also ensures the pillow a smooth touch and an elegant appearance. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations for your need.